So this article is related to tensor, its definition and classification we will discuss. So tensor is basically it was discovered by the G. Ricci and it became popular and Einstein used it to describe general theory relativity. So Einstein first used in the general theory relativity. We know about general theory relativity, special theory relativity, and this is general theory relativity. And moment of inertia is a good example of tensor. You might have studied the moment of inertia in plus one also, plus two, tenth also, right? That is an example of tensor. So this tensor was discovered in 1890, means start of 90th century, you can say, right? Its classification can be it can be classified differently. Like suppose if a tensor has only magnitude, no direction is there, only magnitude, right? We know that is scalar, right? So that is that tensor of rank 0. So basically these are all the classifications of tensor, means scalar also, vector also, and others also. We will discuss it later on. Scalar and vector you have studied till date. I think it starts from fifth, sixth class, right? That is example of tensors, right? So that cover under tensor. If tensor has only magnitude, has magnitude and one direction, or not only has magnitude and one direction only, that is called vector, where that we know, and that is also called rank 1 tensor. Further, if a tensor has magnitude, it has magnitude also, and two directions are there, then that is called rank 2 tensor. This is only basically classification of the tensor. So scalar is basically we already discussed a tensor rank 0. Only thing, only component, only one component is there, right? Only one component is there of this type of tensor. And if the case is vector we already discussed. Tensor of rank 1 means it has a magnitude and one direction, and it means its components are three components are there. So similarly we can discuss about rank 2 also, rank 3 also, rank 4 also, and so on, depending upon classification. So now dyad name is given. That means if any tensor is there and its rank is 2, that is called diode. Diode means it has a magnitude and two directions are there. Two direction means 3 to the power 2. Two direction means 3 to the power 2. 9 components. 3 power 2 is 9, so 9 components. So if triad, tensor of rank 3, right? These are the names of the like scalars, vector, diode, triad. All these are the classification, nothing else. So what is triad? Triad is a tensor of rank 3. What is rank 3? Means its magnitude is magnitude, it has magnitude also, and three directions are there. Rank 3 means three directions, rank 2 means two directions. And how many components? Because rank is 3, so 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 means 27 components. In this way, we can classify according to component also. These are the only ways of classifying tensor. Like rank we already discussed. Now component also are there from where the tensors can be classified. Now if a tensor of rank 2 is defined by it has magnitude and two direction attribute, it has 9 components, right? Certain quantities are associated with two or more directions. It means always two or more directions are there. So that is called tensor. If one direction is only there, that is also type, you can say, because you see the scalar, right? What is scalar? Scalar means magnitude and no direction. What is vector? Vector we have discussed magnitude and one direction, right? And one direction only means 3 to the power 1, 3 components. In this way, we can discuss about the tensor. Further, we already discussed that moment of inertia is one example. Stress is also an example. Stress at a point on an elastic body. Elastic body, we know that deformations cannot be there within the elastic limit, right? So that is stress. That if that in that case, if stress is there, that is example. It had two directions also. Means stress can be applied on a body in two directions. That is because directions are two, so that is tensor. So now this is a notation. Suppose that this if the a1 x1, a2 x2, a3 x3 is dependent by ai xi I equal to 1 to n, right? And by 1 to 3 you can say, not n, sorry, 3, because n is 3 here, right? It can go up to n. If tensor analysis, in tensor analysis, the subset of the simple xi, because I is subscript. So this xi can be replaced by x I as superset. So I xi is here replaced by the xi here is replaced by xi at the as subscript. So this I is wrong. This should not be there, right? This is wrong also, and here because in this sample particularly 3 will be there. This was a mistake here, right? So in this way, so in this case also, because in simple case we take summation, and in the case of tensors this summation is also dropped. Summation is not required here. So ai xi x to the power I, right, means as I as subset, superset, sorry, right? So subset replaced by the superset, and this summation sign, right? Sigma or what would you say is dropped also here. So that is the way of representing the tensor. So only mainly you can say this is main. Two signs are main. Means this subscript will be replaced by superscript, right? And this summation sign, that will be replaced by the will be replaced, mean no sign will be there, right? Thank you. That was about the answer.